Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing an Ariana Grande inspired makeup look, inspired by the makeup look that she wore in her Boyfriend music video. It's the new song she just released that I'm sure everyone is aware of. So this look isn't exactly like hers. Like I said, it's just inspired by. My version is definitely a lot more glam and a little heavier. But I love the way this turned out, and I included the face makeup too, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you want to see how I got to this Ariana Grande makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Smashbox lid primer, and then I will set that primer down with the shade Nocturnal in the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette. And then this is the palette that I'm going to be using for most of today's look. So then also in that palette, going in with the shade Hide and Seek. It's just a cool toned brown. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush and putting this in my crease as my transition color. And I'm just going to keep adding more of this color and building it up until it is the depth that I want it to be. So you don't have to make it this deep, but I just wanted to kind of contour my eyelids, if you will. You could just do a wash of this color and it would look fine. So actually, before I go in with the Stila eyeshadow, I'm going to take a NYX Wonder Pencil and just kind of outline on my eyelid where I want the Stila shadow to go. And then I'm going to be using the Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Freedom, and just placing this all within that outline I just created on my lid. And then I'm going to take like a flat brush to kind of blend it out and add more to the little places like in my inner corner and stuff like that, where the applicator wouldn't reach, and just kind of perfect it along that outline. And then just kind of helping to dry it down. And then I'm going to take MAC Wedge on a pencil brush and just buff this in the crease along the edge of that Stila shadow to kind of blend out the harsh line. But I don't want the brown shadow and the Stila shadow to kind of merge together, so then I'll go back in with that flat brush with some more of the Stila shadow on it and just kind of go over the areas where the MAC shadow fell down too far. And then going in with the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Blacklist Gel Eyeliner, and I'm going to make a wing. The wing I'm doing is a little bit smaller. It's not quite as dramatic as the one that Ariana has in her Boyfriend video, but also the blue shadow that she has isn't as dramatic as what I use. So even though it's the same color, mine is a little more sparkly, so I didn't want to take away from the glitter shadow. And then in the Pretty Vulgar palette, I'm going to take the black shade called All Nighter and just kind of smudge out that eyeliner. And these are the eyes so far. So now going into the ColourPop and Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette, I'm going to take the dark blue shade called Water Bearer and press this up against my lower lash line. Ariana didn't have anything on her lower lash line in the video, but I can't not have anything on my lower lash line, so we're gonna do this. And then back into the All Nighter palette, or the Nightingale palette from Pretty Vulgar. I'm getting everything confused. But I'm going to take that Hide and Seek brown shade again and just blend out the Water Bearer shade. And then taking the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the shade 7R01, I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And then back into the Dream Street palette, I'm going to use the shade Mermaid Boy to highlight my inner corner. And then using an Urban Decay black eyeliner, I'm going to tightline and line my waterline. And then curling my lashes to prep for mascara. And then I'm going to use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara to coat my top and bottom lashes with. And these are the finished eyes. So now I'm going to use some Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer. This is the Coconut Perfecting Tan Bronzer. And then I'm also going to use that to contour my nose and my top and bottom lip as well. And then I'm going to bronze up even more with a more shimmery bronzer. This is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in the shade Capri Coast. And then using my RCMA translucent powder, I'm just going to clean up that contour and bronzer. And using the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Volume 4 palette, I'm going to use the shade, the finishing powder, Diffused Light, to kind of brighten up my under eye and go over my T-zone and my nose contour and all that, and just make it look a little more natural. And then using the Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade Satin Love. And then setting everything with my Tarte Stay Spray, Set Spray, whatever it's called. And then using the Hourglass Ambient Strobe Highlighting Palette, Metallic Strobe Highlighting Palette. I'm going to use the middle nude shade and the pink shade to highlight my face. Video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to check out some of my other videos I'll have listed down below, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.